My name is Bridges and welcome to Have a Recoil Club. Today we're going to talk about something special which may revolutionize the way we use or look at the GHK magazines. We're going to talk about the CNC Aluminium Feedlips by Devilhunter. Let's get to it. Now you may can ask yourself, why do we choose to try out the CNC Feedlips? The main issue with the GHK Feedlips, they are made of plastic. Sometimes, well, there are many stories that they can crack and it can cause some malfunctions. For the first part, we're going to start with, of course, loading the magazine. We're going to take the version 2A with the standard GHK leader speed loader. I'm going to test it how smooth it runs. The side speed loader, it runs pretty good. Works pretty well. Then we take version 2B. Start loading. Goes really smooth. And it's full. For the next part of the test, we're going to, of course, shoot it. Take first version 2. And for this test we're using the fastest of all. Pull out. Pretty well. Next one. Version 2B. Pull out, of course. We didn't shoot full mag, but this music got the point. It's outstandingly good. So to round things up, are they worth getting? Yeah, in my opinion, hell yeah. Why? You don't need to do anything to modify them. They are ready to go, they are strong, they are really reliable, and you don't have to modify all the Feedlips. You just grab them and go. Next, I have to remember these are the older versions. There are already newer out there and they are way better than exactly the ones that I have. So, thanks for watching. Don't remember, check our link in the description below. We just surpassed 2,000 Discord members. Want to be a part of it? Check it out.